What is going on, everyone? So today I'm just making a little video talking about a certain issue I'm having with Kdenlive. I'll explain it as I go along. So if you click on the timeline, Kdenlive crashes. If I do anything else, so if I insert a clip or something, if I drag it in, Kdenlive crashes again. Now I have found a workaround to this issue. So what I have found, it is a issue with using GPU processing. So if I disable it, now it's all good. It's annoying. I don't know why this happens. It's probably a bug which they're gonna have to fix. It might also be my specific hardware configuration. Please let me know if you've experienced an issue like this. But now everything works. If I insert a clip or something, bang, it works. I can use it, and yeah, so I'll keep you posted when or if this issue gets fixed, and hopefully this has helped you. So unfortunately you cannot use any GPU effects, but everything else should work all good. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of that, and I'll see you next time.